So this is how they will arrive. Now yours will be in a larger box because there will be a lot more than one, but this is just a good example of how I package them. So the head of the trophy will be individually bubble wrapped, and then the base of the trophy will come just like this. So it's already glued up and everything is fixed together. There's solid pins that run through these parts here into the base, so it's pretty strong. It's not going to be a real fragile piece. This bottom component is made out of PLA plastic, which is 3D printed, of course, and each of these are made out of silk PLA plastic, very similar. They just have an additive in them that makes them a little bit more shiny like that. So that's the materials used. Now once you receive it, of course, you'll cut the tape off of this and you just pop that right in there, and that's it, and it's ready to go. You'll have your sorry, just grabbing that out of the box there. You'll have your custom plaque that goes with each one, and it just pops right into that plaque holder right there, and that's the completed trophy.